Hello everybody, how you doing? Alexandros from Cyprus once again. Now we're going to be doing an intermediate because sometimes it's a little bit too difficult putting too much advance. We have intermediate and improver footwork, so I want to try to put all the levels. Next up I'm going to put some nice beginner ones. So this is the video for breaking down the latest footwork I've uploaded with music. Now if you want to just have a really quick look at it, you can just click on the info card or in the description. I have the video, you can look at it, and if you're a fast learner, just learn it from watching it with the music. But for anyone that needs help and counting, this is the video for you. Let's get started. Okay, now slowly, we're going to start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, but on 7, 5, 6, 7, we're going to do a heel out, and then 8, we're going to tap in with the right ball of the foot. Then go forward, 1, tap on 2, go back, and tap again as we did before. You can do it on the toe, or you can do it on the ball of the foot. This one, also, you can do it as heavy as you like, or as light as you like. It depends from your style. So with your count, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the right foot goes circle, small circle, and out. Circle, small circle, and it stops to the right, switches over. And as we do that from this position, we also move 15 minutes to the right. Circle, small circle, push out. Okay, one more time, and circle, half, small, and out. Here we transfer the weight like from right foot to left foot, but we're going to be using two circular hip movements. 1, 2. Do not do it on the spot and then transfer. As you transfer, you do it. That prepares you for a nice 3/4 turn, easy. And now it's a little variation of the Suzy Q, but pay attention to it for timing. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the weight finishes the first time more on the right foot. Cross, cross, step, and step, put your right foot. Cross, cross, step, and step. Then you put your weight over your left foot. Let me do it this way. Suzy and the Q. Suzy and the Q. Say Suzy and the Q. Or 1, 2, and the 3. So 1, 2, ra-ta-ta, 1, 2, ra-ta-ta. You finish with your weight over the left, so you can go cross, cross, cross. Two little details. Swivel, swivel, swivel. That will help you go faster. And at the last one, here on the third one, we prepare our body to turn with the shoulder to the mirror. That's 3/4 of a turn. So from the Suzy Q, open, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, we stop here. 6, we lean the body. 7, we turn the body to the back. Then we step 1 to the front, and we twist the body to the left by pointing, and by kicking the right foot behind and pushing in the hand, I can deliver a very nice 360 turn back into my basic. Alright? Now, maybe you'll stop the video by now, but I'll do it one more time from the beginning, because some of you ask me more details so you can learn these things. Or you can just rewind the video, but you can dance it with me now. 5, 6 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half, fun, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, point, 5, 6, 7, 1. So when you turn a little bit faster, sometimes you can wait it out with the hands and go back into your basic. That's it guys, I hope you like it. Make sure you comment and rate, subscribe, and check out my other videos. I've got many footwork and a lot of salsa combinations and a lot of bachata combinations, and I'll just keep on bringing them as fast as I can. See you on the next video guys.